Hi friends, I'm Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to freeze the row on your Google Sheet. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just straightly move on to the video. So how do you freeze a row in the Google Sheet? I just going to show in this video. So I just need to freeze the first row here. So you just need to go to the view option, and now you will see an option called freeze. So just click this. Here you will see option no rows or one row or two row or up to one row. You will see this option. Just click on this one row. You can see now the row has been freeze. If you just move on to the bottom, you can just move to the bottom like this. You can still see the number first lost. The headings will be visible, so you can easily understand about the data. If you just scroll down without the freezing this, you just scroll down, the heading will be gone and it will be make something misleading. So you can also freeze. For an example, this thing is on the second row. You can also freeze freeze up to second row. How we can? I just going to show. Just click. Now first of all, you just need to click which row that you just want to freeze. So if you just need to freeze up to fifth row, just click on this and click on the view section, freeze. You will see up to fifth row 5. Otherwise, if you just need to freeze first 2 row, just click on this second row and click on view section, go to the freeze option up to 2 rows. Now you can see this is how it's work. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.